Hey guys, Brian with WorkshopAddict.com, and we're going to announce the winner of this awesome Ingersoll Rand W7152 half-inch impact wrench. Now, we posted the video review of this yesterday. If you haven't watched it, check it out. There's some cool things that we did in there, putting this up against another impact wrench. Stuff that's a little different than normal that we would do. I don't know that it proved anything, but I think it'll be fun to watch. So make sure you get through that whole video. Pretty cool. Now, I want to tell you, a lot of people come up to us and go, man, you got a cool gig going on. You get to see all the new tools. You get to test everything out. It's awesome. But you know what's more fun? It's giving these things away. It's watching other people get something that's new that maybe they wouldn't buy. And this is something I think that a lot of people are going to get in for and say, you know what, I might not spend the $7, $8, I don't know, $100 to get this. Man, if I won it, that'd be so cool. One of you guys is going to win it, and I think you're really going to like this thing. That is what's awesome. The support you guys give us, the comments, all that stuff's awesome. We try to reply as fast as we can. We appreciate it. We appreciate all you guys. Now, the random generator on this came up with one person. I sure hope that you're going to use this guy. I really do. So the winner is 511 Mechanic. Now, based on the name, I'm hoping you are a mechanic. So here you go, bud. What you need to do is comment below in this video and email us at webmaster@workshopaddict.com. We need to put the two together a little bit to make sure we got you. Get your address and your phone number so we can ship this out. This tool will be shipped from Ingersoll Rand to you, and then I want you to use the hell out of it. And if you can, post back, let us know how it goes. I think you're gonna love it. This tool has been awesome. I like the simplicity. If you watch a review, you'll see some cool things that we did with it. I think you'll like that review too. We got a lot of cool stuff coming up in the future and some new cool reviews, so make sure you check that out. Till then, guys, congratulations, 511 Mechanic. Good luck to the rest of you on the rest of the giveaways. Keep watching our videos. Thank you for the support. That like button's awesome. Subscribe. Watch us on Facebook and Instagram. Have a wonderful day.